Discussion and review meeting was regarding the dangerous building in the Margao area. As you all are aware, we have already issued orders under disaster management to demolish two buildings, and we have also removed the surgery and other things from some other building which were posing danger. And due to the recent incident which has happened 2 days back, we have issued an order to evict the tenants from one building. So we are seeing how well we can protect the rights of the tenant and how well we can ensure that the passerby and other people's lives are also protected. So the decisions which has been taken as two buildings for which the orders have already been issued for demolition. Within 10 days the work will be executed by the PWD. And for the recent incident, for the recent building, they are all the shops are going to be sealed by 5 o'clock today, and they will be shifting their items. And then they are asking for permission from the municipality to undertake some repair, and if they are doing the repair and if they are able to bring a positive stability report, we will re-examine the matter.
Two buildings कौन सा है वो demolition?
Indra Apartments and Civic.
For that decision, somehow or other we have to take a decision fast. So today consensus is PWD engineer is also there, and she has said that two buildings for which demolition orders have been issued. It is at a final stage. They require some approval. And then within 10-15 days it should be both the buildings have been demolished. As far as yesterday's day before yesterday's incident, that also she has said it can't take any compromise as far as safety of the people is concerned. So they have decided to seal the shops. And if anybody wants to remove certain things, they will take a permission from the deputy collector. They allow him to remove the material and all that. So she has been very cooperative as far as not disturbing their entire lifestyle. Some people have got some onions, potatoes. So we said they can remove it. There is no problem. If required, they will open. The deputy collector will help them in the morning also tomorrow for opening in between whenever they want to. But no compromise for the safety of the people, security of the people. And she has given them an opportunity also that if they can rectify whatever defects I mentioned.